One of the biggest challenge any burn patient faces is the contracture of the skin for the initial 4 to 5 years. The consequence is of the contracture is the nostrils become more smaller, and or the ear hole becomes more smaller, or like get closed in some cases. So initial days, my when I was having contracture after the surgery, a doctor told me to use something for my nose, at least for 12 to 15 hours a day. That's when I, what to use. There is nothing available specifically for the nose, right? So I used this silicone mold. I made this myself and used it every day overnight in my nostrils, both my nostrils, to stop this. There are several things I used it, for my ear hole, which was getting closed. I was using, I use this pipe, a small pipe. Initially when the hole was very small, I used to cut the earbud pipe and used to put it inside my ear. And be careful enough to use a long pipe so that it doesn't go inside or hit your ear or scratches your skin. At the same time, you can also use cut the oxygen pipe. The oxygen pipe is not very thick, and it is also soft for your skin, so you can use these kind of pipe to for your for your ears, so that the ear hole doesn't closes.
Break Free Solutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.